Chemistry has allowed me to work in a career where I'm working on real-world problems that are being implemented in industry, such as designing chemical flow reactor plants to make cutting-edge new pharmaceuticals. My name's Mike Kenny, and I'm the Commercial Director at AM Technology. So at AM Technology, we make flow reactors. That's a technology that allows us to make chemicals continuously. So the way that we make things like chemicals and medicines at the moment, it's very energy intensive. But with flow reactors, we can make the reactor itself a lot smaller, and then that means we use a lot less energy to heat it and to cool it. It's a lot safer, and then we would double the production and aim to halve the carbon footprint. I'm helping to slow down climate change with this flow reactor. It makes chemicals in a faster, cheaper, and more sustainable way. Take this medicine. One of our customers needed a more affordable way to manufacture it so that more people could access its life-changing benefits. Now, a version of this machine produces large amounts of product in half the time and with half the carbon footprint. My job initially is to speak to customers about a particular chemical process that they're looking to manufacture using flow chemistry. It's all about sort of identifying where the benefits might be for them and then put together a plan on how we're going to implement that for the customer. Having a background in chemistry allows me to speak the same language as them and where the benefits might lie for them. A lot of our customers are overseas. Fortunate, I've just returned back from a trip to India. I get to go to places like China, South Africa, and all over Europe. So when I was at school, I was lucky enough to get the opportunity to do a work placement at the University of Liverpool, where I got to shadow a research group that were working on new medicines to tackle tuberculosis and malaria. And really just getting to see that team work so creatively to develop and design these new chemical molecules really inspired me, and I was hooked. I think really throughout my career I've faced a lot of rejections. I originally wanted to do a year in industry but wasn't successful in getting a position. You have to put in quite a few applications, but it's all about just sort of having that perseverance to carry on, keep applying. For me, I've got a young family. Having a good work-life balance is very important for me. And this career in chemistry has really allowed me to do that so far. For anyone who's thinking of studying chemistry, I'd really strongly recommend it. Chemistry is very universal. You could be working on sort of the dyes that go into your clothes. You could be looking at working on display screen technology, new pharmaceuticals. Really, any industry that you can think of has some aspect of chemistry in it.